In this video, we're going to learn the second part of the Mishnah. The Mishnah says like this: Echzira ubarcha. If one returned the lost item and it escaped, Echzira ubarcha, and he returned it and it escaped again, Afilu arba v'chamisha pe'amim, even if this happens 4 or 5 times, Chayav le'achzira, he's still required to return it. Shene'emar, as the pasuk says, and in the parentheses it tells us where the pasuk comes from. The pasuk comes from Devarim Chav Bet, as the pasuk says, Ashev teshivem, you will surely return them. When the Torah discussed the mitzvah of returning a lost item, it told us to return it, but it didn't just say Ashev return, it says Ashev teshivem, you will surely return it. You notice that the shoresh shuv is repeated twice. And the Mishnah is teaching us that the reason for saying it twice is to teach us that one must do the mitzvah even more than once. Even if you return it once, then it's lost again, one has the obligation to return it once again. Now, we stopped here before the word chayav because we learned that the word chayav is the word that shows the din, the halacha. So therefore, this section here is a description of the case. The case is that a person returned it and it escaped, it returned the animal and it escaped again. Even if it does it many times, 4 or 5 times or even more times, that's the case. The din is chayav le'achzira. He has to return the item. Now this Mishnah introduces us to a new part of a Mishnah that we never learned before. And that is that so far we know that a Mishnah has always a case and a din. In this Mishnah we find the case and also the din. But in this Mishnah we find the reason for the din. Shenemar, when it says a pasuk, the Mishnah is bringing the pasuk to give us the reason for the din. The din is that you have to do it even more than once. And this is the reason. The reason is because the Torah tells us, Ashev teshivem, you will surely return the item, which again teaches us that we must do the mitzvah even more than once.